Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa K7. It's been a really long time. I don't really know what to say, but I've been on hiatus. Obviously motherhood got the best of me. The first year was hard, the second year was semi-hard, and I'm only just now starting to feel like myself again, hence why I can like film and you guys won't hear baby crying, except my son is here. So if you hear background noise, it's because he's fiddling. Nine, say hi. Yeah, so sorry if you hear background noise, but this channel is about beauty, motherhood and lifestyle. So yeah, it is what it is, do you know what I mean? Without talking loads, I will do a separate video on my personal life. I just felt like I wanted to do this video on how I get my lips from this small kind of look, small lips, to this oversized lips. And not to throw it back, but I have no issue with my lips. Like, I've never really had much issues with my lips. I'm not insecure, none of that. I don't want the surgery. If I could afford the surgery, I still wouldn't get the surgery. I've never gotten lip fillers in my life. It's not something that is on my priority list. The only issue with me is I feel like I don't have a lip line. Like my lips are not defined enough for me, okay? So sometimes it looks like I have no top lip and a large bottom lip. But this is just for fun, and this is great for when you want to go out, you're doing your makeup and you just want bigger lips. Like, nothing is wrong with altering things on your face. That's what makeup is for. Who wants to wear makeup and look exactly the same? So without further ado, let's get into the how to do. You need a dark and a medium shade. These are mine. Please use this as a template. And then you need your favourite lip glosses. If you have plumping ones, great, but any lip gloss will do. Lip gloss is what makes your lips look fuller. This is natural lighting, by the way, guys. Let me know if it's better, but then black lip liner first, okay? Just follow your natural line, right? At the bottom. And then I stop here. I stop here because it looks like my bottom lip is hanging a bit lower naturally. Yeah, so I'm using the black pencil to line my lips. This is where I basically draw how big I want my lips. So I'm creating another cupid's bow with black, and this is why I use black, because it will create a harsh shadow of a cupid's bow. And remember, I don't have a defined top lip, so I need to create a whole new lip basically. So I'm creating a cupid's bow on top of my cupid's bow, and then I'm drawing two lines down on my existing lip line. I don't want to overline too much on the diagonal bits of my lips because that will give me a clownish look. So the main focal point where you want to make bigger is your cupid's bow. It's going to give you that filler look. Then I'm going to go in with my brown lip liner and basically shade on top of the black, so it gets rid of that 80s harsh black lip line. We don't want to look clownish. So with this brown, it's important because it's going to create a natural bigger lip rather than this harsh black lined lip. You will see what I mean furthermore in the video. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Heat lip gloss in the centre. And then I'm just going to take a similar shade, but kind of on the pink side on the outer corner. And this is where the magic happens, okay?